Nigerian jollof rice is one of the most delicious and fragrant rice recipe that's very easy to prepare. In this video, I'll be revealing the secrets towards achieving a delicious pot of jollof rice. So shall we? Let's get right into it. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. I'll be adding the full ingredients to the description box down below as usual. So please do ensure you check it out. To begin, I'll heat up some power oil in my pot on medium heat. Then add some diced onion and saute till fragrant. I'll also be adding some ginger and garlic paste and some scotch bonnet pepper to it and allow to fry alongside with the onion. I consider this stage as a flavor building stage. So after about 2 minutes of frying, I'll be adding the tomato paste into the pot. Usually I love to fry the tomato paste before adding the fresh tomato. I'm actually using 2 for the quantity of rice I'm cooking, but you can actually use 3 if you want the color of your rice to be more intense. So after about 6 minutes, our tomato paste is perfectly fried. You know when the oil begins to settle at the top of the pot. So next, I'll be adding the tomato pepper blend mix. This is just a mixture of fresh tomatoes, bell pepper and little onion. So just mix everything together and allow to fry. Whenever you want to make jollof rice, this step is actually very important in order to achieve a rich sweet taste. So our tomato is perfectly fried. So I'll just go ahead and season it up. I'll be using some curry powder, some thyme, chicken seasoning cubes, some grounded crayfish and some salt to taste. You can use any other spice of your choice. So just mix everything to combine. I'll be adding some leftover meat stock that I have. You can choose to also add little water if you don't have any meat stock available. At this stage, I'll be transferring the rice into the pot. I only washed it after parboiling for about 8 minutes. So at this stage, I'll be adding little water into the pot, not too much. Just the quantity of water that will be sufficient to cook the rice through. If you are struggling with knowing the quantity of water to add in your rice, if you look closely to mine, my water level is the same level with the rice. Remember, it's steam that cooks our food and not water. So I'll just cover the pot and allow it to cook. So this is 20 minutes later. Let's check on our rice. Okay, the rice is perfectly cooked and the water has dried up. So for some extra crunch and flavor, I'll be adding some diced carrots, some green beans, some red and green bell pepper and little onion. So just mix everything together. You can choose to use any other vegetable of your choice. So I'll just cover the pot for 2 extra minutes and allow the vegetables to soften up a little bit. So after about 2 minutes, our jollof rice is pretty much ready. I know this process is so easy and you can actually recreate this recipe yourself. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.